Okay, Uncle Nudge here, up in the hills. It's definitely evening, but it's decent out today, and it's going to be rainy, so thought I'd come out. See, hopefully I can find something today. Okay, I've been to this spot before this year, and I went down this way, and the water level is definitely quite a bit higher today. Now, what I kind of planned on doing was going up this way. I think I have my hip waders on today. I think I can get across. I hope I can. But I'll look around here first. I mean, this isn't much here, but this will be cool. I don't know if I'll cut that. I think I might. And then just a little quartzite agate thing. And I'll tumble that. Let's see what else I've got here. Oh, that's kind of cool with a little bit of green. Be a tumble rock. That's cool. This is just looking right where I'm first starting here. This could be kind of cool. Let's see what else here. Something red down here, but oh. Yeah, nothing. Yeah, there's waters. This is definitely snow melt off, because this water's cold. Yeah, I just kind of moved over to this other little pool here. Could be kind of cool. I know this one will be cool. Tumbles that take a real nice shine. Wow, look at the glitter in this thing. Can't say I've found any like that before. Yeah, I think I changed my plans. I looked around in the shallows here and did find some stuff. And if I go across there, I was kind of expecting that to be gravel and stuff in there, but it's deep enough that, and cold enough and late enough in the evening that I think I'm just going to walk the shallows and look for new stuff that's turned over, because there's definitely a lot of new gravels and stuff, so there's going to be new stuff from when I went down there last. Real deep green. Pretty cool. I have a blue stone here unearthed. Wait a minute, let's see. Nothing. Yeah, it looks kind of blue. More blue than green. I might take that. I don't find anything else big. Set that here. And I found some quartzite Kind of cool with a black stripe. And like a moonstone. I tend to pick those up. You might know that. I used to pick them up when I was a kid, and I just kind of have never stopped. That's an interesting chunk. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Nice green in there. Amazing how the shape of it, I mean, it looks like it was a cut slab. Here's another little fruit site. And looks like another one. Yeah, these polish up so nice. And there's some kids at the local farmers market that they sell rocks, and some of them, it just looks like they picked them up out of the dirt with no rhyme or reason. But once in a while they get some cool ones, but I try to buy some from them. And I think I'm gonna trade them some. And some of these rocks I find, just polish them up, and so they can become young entrepreneurs. A couple more small ones here. They're polished nice. That's this. That's quartz. It's a crazy little piece of jasper. A lot of colors in it. And a green jasper with some crazy stuff. I see this from a little distance. I mean, it's small, but that little stripe is cool. So here's a piece of jasper I just pulled out that it's kind of cool. But one thing that's really cool is this one stripe here is kind of an orange, and it's pretty cool. So I think I'm going to take that. I mean, that cutaway there, I mean, that's big, but that could be a pretty darn cool pendant. I found this little guy that'll polish up nice. So, put these in. Just got a bunch of small stuff, except for that one. Kind of different. And this little one is just a natural little pendant. Found this quartz, and it does have some metals in it. It could be gold. I have found quartz with gold in it up here before. So I'm going to take that home. It's a nice red, and this rock's kind of blue. was in some deeper water and kind of attracted my attention. And crazy. Yeah, I've probably gone about as far as I'm going to go. So, found a couple more things. That's some quartz and something. So I'm going to head back up this way, cover this ground. My bucket's probably 30 yards up on me. Yeah, I've seen this cool green. Hoping it was bigger, but little jasper. Man, that's really cool looking right there. That's pretty cool. See a cool red rock down here. Oh, come on. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm gonna set it down out here. Yeah, it's red with blue in there or something. I don't think that's jasper. I think it's something else. Well, it might be. Pretty cool though. Like it's a conglomerate of red, purple, and pretty interesting. I decided to take this green one. Could be kind of cool, but looks like it might break up if you cut it. And then this one, the stripes are pretty cool. There's some jasper, but so that could be kind of cool cut up. This is that one with the possibly gold in it. Gold or silver. I have to check that out. This is the one with the stripe I liked. Pretty cool. The rest of it's okay. This is a quartzite agate. I'll probably polish that up. I don't know if I'll cut it or not. This looks like it's trying to get an oxide skin, so I was kind of curious about it. I think I want to cut that one open. Got some greenish blue in it. I'll either cut it or polish it up. Here's the green one I was a little bit hemming and hawing on. It looks like this area you could cut it and it would stay together, so that's probably the main reason I brought it. And this striped jasper could be cool. This is the one that looked like it had been cut. I mean, it's just crazy. It's a nice, like, 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch slab. Yeah, stripey. There's a moonstone quartz, and I mean, I got a lot of small stuff. I could take it all out, but we'll grab a couple. This one was pretty interesting. Probably just tumble it. And let's see what else. So anyway, it was the trip was a little different than I planned, but it turned out okay. I mean, I'd been over this area before, but it wasn't wet like that, so I did get to find all these that I probably wouldn't have took if it was dry. So anyway, I'll see you next time.